that experiments that I have done at home, and I'll tell you how I have done those. All right. So this is the Jhendu, okay. And what I did is I had the flowers, and for the Jhendu, I just crushed the dry flowers after offering them to the god. Next day, I crushed them and I just sprinkled all over the pot. And I was just regularly watering. That's it. And I got, you can see now, they are almost 3 to 5 centimeters. The Jindu plantlets are all ready. And if you check over the social media or somewhere, they will charge you right from 40, 50 rupees to 200 rupees. But actually, upon receiving, we receive nothing. Either they are dry or dead or like really way different than whatever they're showing. Okay, so just by crushing the jindu flower and sprinkling it in your pot, earthen pot, you actually do grow beautiful jindu over here. So this is it. Another experiment that I have successfully done is, you can see tiny ones, and lot of such greens are yet budding. They are just coming out, and this is uh, citrus. This is lemon and orange both. When I actually had lemon and orange at my place, I just collected the seeds and I just sowed it like this, and just that much. Not like I dig lot of big digging or much depth, nothing like that. And these are mix that you can see right now over here, these ones, they are coming up. These are tiny ones, they have like a little bit came up. These are I mean, I sowed over here in this plant pot lemon and orange both. So until they grow and they get the fruit, I will not be able to tell you which is lemon and which is orange. But I actually planted both the seeds, lemon and the orange. Okay, the orange that we eat, yeah. So lemon and orange both are here. Next one I will tell you, uh, just hold for a second. I will show you another success of mine that I really love. All right, and as you can see over here, uh, this is dragon fruit. Okay, and when I ordered from online Shopee, okay, I did order from the online store, and I was quite disappointed because if you can see over here, they're really dried, and these kind of five I got, and one, two, three that you're seeing. Today morning I sowed it over here. They were in my another pot, and the pigeons who come here, the pigeons actually with their beak, they actually pulled that out. Okay, and from the top, if you see, I planted only one and two over here, one and two over here, because the dragon fruit is almost like a cactus. All right, and it is thorny, and it looks like cactus much more, and it belongs to the same family of the plant. It grows like that, and it grows much more bigger. Okay, so whenever you're going to plant the dragon fruit, you have to secure the quite a bit huge area for it, because it's going to grow over the large area, and you won't be able to move it quickly because it is very thorny. Okay, and the fruits, of course, the dragon fruit is a very bigger in size, so you have to plant it where there is a lot of space. So I did plant it in two of the pots over here, actually three, but the pigeons actually pulled it out. Okay, and what happened is, today while planting it, I just noticed eureka, because if you can see this tiny one, this has, this is a new uh, what should I say, the plant leaf that is actually coming out of this. Yeah, so this is success. The plant is successfully planted. And also about this twig, over here also you can see the tiny ones, tiny plant twigs that are coming. Okay, one, two, three, like that. So I actually thought, like, from the top you can also see it's very much dried, and I thought it's west, it's not flowering. But anyways, I was just regularly watering. See, it's very thorny, and I got a thorn. Oh, don't touch the dragon fruit plant without wearing gloves. It's very sharp and not good to have it in your body at all. Okay, so I thought it's west, it's not working, but still I was just watering. And today morning I realized, Eureka, it is successfully planted, and one from this one, and another plantlets from the second one also you can see. And these three, as you can see, like a pillar over here, literally I have planted them like that because they were out in one of the plant pot. Okay, the pigeons actually pulled that away with their beak. But I noticed from the bottom, actually this was one plant and one leaf rather, and that was broken down into the two pieces. And from the middle, I actually saw the, roots coming up. So then I decided to split it into two and plant from the surface from where the roots are coming up. So this is how I have planted, and doesn't matter if from the top you can see it's dried, but when it's getting good nutrition, it starts growing and budding, and definitely the new cute leaves, they will keep flowering and budding, and then it will grow quite a bit huge, and you need a lot of space for it, also to bear, the big fruits, dragon fruits. So I'm very excited to see this progress. I wasn't expecting it at all because they were, I mean, I ordered them from the online shop and online website, and they were not even having the soil, in which they were planted. So I was not at all hoping anything at all. Okay, and the next one I will just show you. It's not, I have recently planted, but this is one of the aloe. And if you can see from this side, the plant pod is broken, and there are a lot of big roots actually have developed. I'll show you from this side. See, so actually these are mini plants they have actually developed. If I could cut that and I could plant it, it has altogether new root system. And that's why the side of the pot is also broken, but it is perfectly fine because it's very amazing, and I do use it for my do it your own recipes, and it's really amazing, well moisturizing, and amazing. So this another one I have. It will also be like that aloe plant. It will grow huge. They sort of belong to the same kind of family. I would say this is more like a cactus. It's gonna grow more thorny, but aloe is also thorny from the sides, if you can see. So I'm very happy to see my success. And last but not the least, what I'm very happy about it is, okay, you can see these are very cute, beautiful looking tiny bryophytes, and they look very tiny, very cute, very delicate. And the daily visitors, birds, and the nature is just gift. I didn't plant any of these seeds at all. And of course the blessing, this is tulsi. So tulsi leaf is also here. I don't know what is this tiny one, but the tulsi is here. And tulsi also came without actually sowing it, without purchasing it from somewhere. And tulsi is a very holy plant, so whenever you are reciting good worships, or that kind of stuff, it just comes, you know it's a very spiritual. All the plants are spiritual, I would say, but especially about the tulsi, when it comes automatically without you planting it, it is very auspicious. So I have these tulips with me, and in almost 3 plant pots I have this tulips with me that came automatically, so it's a divine blessing. And I love these tiny bryophytes as well. They're very cute, and you can also keep it inside as a decor or something. And next one I will show you. Yeah, this one. This is, of course, as you can see, this is the tulsi in between, and this is clover. And I got a huge cat, so I'm also gonna cover that cat. Ooh, the new one. Hi. He's not a daily visitor over here, but I do have another friend who's a daily visitor, and we are friends. Uh, okay, so back to the tulsi plants, and this is the clover, which is a magical plant, a lucky plant, and it also comes without you planting it. So all this is without me buying the plants and planting the plants. Okay, I just I'm very happy, and being with Mother Nature is amazing thing. And when you love plants, when you just do it something from your heart, it does shows up. No need to buy it and keep it. You have to have a love for that, and that's what is here. And I'm very happy to see all the greenery, and all the birds do come here because of our birds inside. They are free birds, and I do have regular visitors, the birds over here in the gallery. So i I just am okay with it. I keep food and water for the outside birds as well. They are also like a family, and I'm very happy to see all these plants showing up their own. This is amazing. And this is another thing, I don't know what it is, but it has shown up, and soon we will get to know what it is. And this is one of the pot I keep water. Another, this is a pot where I keep water. Oh, it's amazing. So I'm very happy to see gardening experiments successful, about dragon fruit, about lemon, about oranges, and all the trees that have showed up out of the love and blessings of God. We'll see you soon in the next one. Do let me know what gardening experiments you're doing in the comments below. I love plants, I love nature, I love birds, I love cats so much. Okay, then, see you. Bye.